Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Agil Dwi Alputra. I am from the Information Technology Education Study Program at Muhammadiyah University of Muara Bungo. And today, I will explain how to install a computer step by step. Installing a computer by yourself can be very useful. It is usually cheaper than buying a pre-built computer, and it also helps you understand how a computer works. If something goes wrong in the future, you will be able to repeat it yourself. In this video, I will explain the materials needed and the steps to install a computer properly. Okay, before we start the installation process, let's take a look at the materials needed. To install a computer, we need several components such as CPU, power supply, monitor, motherboard, CPU fan, RAM, hard drive, disk drive, video card, sound card, screwdriver, and screws. Make sure that all of these components are available and compatible with each other before starting the installation. Now, let's move on the installation steps.
A few moments later.
Step 1. Before beginning to install your computer, you need to make sure that all the computer parts that you have are compatible with each other. Step 2. Now, get your motherboard. Be careful in handling the motherboard so as not to damage it. Connect the CPU's pins to the motherboard. Carefully push the motherboard in place. Step 3. Next, install the CPU fan on your motherboard. This device cools the computer down to avoid overheating of the computer. Don't install the motherboard yet. Step 4. After installing the fan, install the RAM in place on the motherboard. The RAM is the memory of the computer. Gently push the RAM chip inside the slot. There are clips on either side of the RAM slot. Secure the RAM chip in place by using the clips. Step 5. Now, you have installed the major components. After installing the major components of the computer, install the motherboard inside the computer case. Secure the motherboard in place by using the screws and the screwdriver. Step 6. After you have secured the motherboard in place, you can install the power surge. The power surge has wires connected to it. Connect a wire to the motherboard and to other device inside the case. You can check the user's manual of the power surge to know which cable to connect to a specific device. Step 7. Install the hard drive. There is a slot on the computer case designed to hold the hard drive. Make sure that the hard drive is securely in place by using the screws. Get one of the wires connected to the power supply and connect it to the hard drive. You cannot install the hard drive until you have secured the motherboard. And step 8, finally, install the CD-ROM drive. Slide the CD-ROM drive on its slot and connect the power surge cable to the CD-ROM drive. That's all the steps on how to install a computer. By following these steps carefully, you can assemble your own computer correctly and safely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation is helpful and easy to understand. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.